Welcome to David Alexander Maths Tuition. This is chapter 3E, where we're going to look at quadratic inequalities. So this is a topic you would have done at GCSE level, but it's definitely one of the harder ones. I know certain students that would struggle massively with this. So the first thing we need to do is, if the quadratic equation equals 0, let's factorise and solve it. So factors are negative 15 that add up to negative 2, so that's going to be x take 5, x plus 3. So therefore my solutions are positive 5 and negative 3. So what that means, if I do a little sketch, we are cutting through the axis at 5, cutting through the x-axis at 5 and at negative 3. Now, when x is negative 3, y is 0, or the function is 0. When x is 5, we get 0. So what are the values where we're getting greater than or equal to 0? So we are looking at this part of the line here and this part of the line here. Well, let's look at this part of the line here. So if x is 5 here, then it's the values to the right of 5 that will give us this positive value. That will mean we're getting greater than or equal to 0. So if it's to the right of 5, that means x must be greater than or equal to 5. And on the other side here, x is negative 3 and we're getting 0. So to the left of negative 3, we're getting greater than 0. So that means x must be less than or equal to negative 3. Okay, so when it's greater than, we're looking above the line, and when it's less than, we're looking beneath the line. So let's have a look at this second example. X squared plus 3x minus 18, let's make it equal 0. So we're going to get x plus 6, x take away 3 equals 0. So the solutions are negative 6 and positive 3. So again, let's just do our little sketch. Not a great sketch, is it? So 3 is here, minus 6 is here. So less than 0 is beneath the line here. So what are the x values from here to here? Well, here x is negative 6, here x is 3, so x must be between negative 6 and 3. So we can write this as one inequality. Now, I just said x is between minus 6 and 3, so write minus 6, write 3, put an x in between it, and then just simply replace that sign with a less than, or if it's less than or equals to, then it would be a less than or equals to. So here, x is greater than negative 6, but less than 3, and that corresponds with this part of the line there.